Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to set up two layers wallpaper for your desktop. After finish, you will have a desktop like that. Okay, now I will show you how to make it. Let's go. This is my current desktop. First of all, you download file put in description below. You have a zip file, your exact file. You will have a folder with layers wallpaper inside. Okay, next step, you go to Microsoft Store and search up layers wallpaper. Here, you click install. This app will set up layers wallpaper for desktop. You click open. This is app interface. In this window, you click Add Wallpaper. You click Open and links to folder with layers wallpaper file. Select it. OK. Now desktop will change to layers wallpaper. Let's you right click, View, and stick to desktop icon. Now desktop will clean. You can close to minimize apps to system change. Okay. Let's you go to Microsoft Store again and find app. Just add Lotion TP. This install. This app will make start bar become transparent. You click open. Continue, and you see start bar already changed to transparent. Okay, you can set more options by go to system change, left click to this icon, go to desktop, and more options in here. Clear is transparent. You can make the taskbar more clean by unspin icon in this. You right click, unspin. About 3 apps, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar, change to off. Okay, I have finished set up layers wallpaper for my desktop, but you can make the desktop more beautiful by go to my channel. This is my channel. You go to playlist, Skin Remaster for Windows Desktop. In this playlist, you can review and select for you one package which you like. I will update more skin rainmeter package to playlist. So I will show you how to set up two layers wallpaper for Windows Desktop. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.